Hi, welcome to TIOmarkets price action analysis on gold. So many people have been asking about this market, so I decided to cover it and give you the key levels and the latest price action. Now, talking about the latest price action, we have US oil moving to our target 2. So quite a few markets are hitting our target zones, so maybe you want to subscribe to the channel, but please also remember that we don't provide investment advice. So, as you might know, gold has been moving sideways lately since really from here, October 14th, the market has been moving sideways and has actually created one lower high when it actually tried to move above the channel high. We do have this sort of bearish channel here that the market is moving inside. It tried to rally above it but failed, so we have a lower high there in place. But this still means that we might have just intraday trading opportunities when the market comes to supports or goes to resistances. So let's take a look at the key levels and the price action here. Now, what is interesting, we have this sort of channel here that was now broken. The market made lower lows here, but has since moved outside the channel as it's usual when the market comes in a ranging period close to the range lows. So we clearly have a support here that the market was approaching, and the buyers stepped in above this low and started to take the market higher. So the question is, do we have now some bullishness in this market, which is obviously interesting in the sort of big picture as the market is trending lower? But we have the elections ahead next week, and that means uncertainty, and gold is a market that benefits from uncertainty, as it's often a safe haven, of course. So I'm seeing a couple of things here. Let's take the regression channel off. We do have a wedge. The market was moving inside this or below this trend line, and then there was another trend line here, which basically these together create a wedge. So the lower end is approaching the upper end, so you have a bullish wedge. Now the market has moved outside of this, so it makes sense to look for long trades above this 1890.80 low. And obviously these prices might be a little different depending on your trading platform, but if you follow your chart and follow this chart here, which is by the way 2-hour resolution on gold, so other people talk about time frames of course, but basically you have the market, every candle here, and this is obviously for new traders, every candle here represents price movement in 2-hour period. So when you have market moving down, that's the red team taking the prices lower, and when you have the green team winning, then that's when the prices go up. That's very, very simple. Now, it's often the case that when the market breaks out from a channel, it retraces back, and this is what has happened now also. So the other key levels very quickly, the resistance at 1910.40 is going to be likely a key area, I think, and after that 1914.24 or so. And then obviously the big one up there at 1931.30, just below another resistance level there. But looking at the Fibonacci levels, we have quite a few technical factors coming together right at, let me widen this up a little bit, right here, the channel high, the 1910.40 resistance, and 50 period moving average. All of these are coming together there, so I think that makes a good target 1 here. Now if we take the width of this formation, it gives us another target, and I think this makes a really good target 2, as it's close to 78.6 Fibonacci level. So the target 1 is from 1908.34 to 1912.80, and target 2 from 1980.60 1860 to 1923. That's all from me now. Thank you for your time, and as usual, trade safe.